Fun Spot Atlanta in Georgia will be permanently closing.
Fun Spot Atlanta is closing permanently after August 2nd, 2026.
Fun Spot America Atlanta to be closing its doors permanently.
If you consider yourself a roller coaster enthusiast, you absolutely must make your way to go ride Arie Force One before it closes.
I'm Arie Jr. I'm the owner and CEO of Fun Spot America. And I just want to thank you for coming out and supporting us on our last few days. It means the world to me and my family. I don't want to get emotional, but I'm sorry that this happened. But at the end of the day, I'm thankful for everybody out coming to show us support.
Oh, wow, I can't even speak. Good morning, Internet. We're at Fun Spot Atlanta in Fayetteville, Georgia. This park opened in 1990 as Dixieland Fun Park. It was later renamed to Fun Junction USA, and then in 2017, it was acquired by Fun Spot and renamed Fun Spot Atlanta. Now, the Fun Spot company owns two relatively successful properties down in Orlando, so when they acquired this one, I think they had similar expectations for it. Post-COVID, Fun Spot looked at the Orlando properties and looked at this one, and they were like, why isn't this one making as much money? What could we possibly do to rectify that situation? How about we build a $13 million roller coaster? That'll get everyone to come to the park. Here we are a few years later. It didn't work. So this park is closing forever in 3 days. Our first stop for the day is the $13 million coaster in question. Arie Force One opened in 2023. It is a Rocky Mountain construction, ground up I-box roller coaster. First lap on Arie Force One, let's go! Oh my god! No way! Oh! 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 What the hell? Oh my god! What was that? Bro, that's ridiculous. I will try to rank it somewhere later. I just want to ride it over and over again. A lot of people call this a sister to Wildcats Revenge, which I am representing today, by the way. Wildcats Revenge is all about variety. It's trying to see how many things it can do to you. This is just Joe Draves spamming the airtime button. He's like, let's throw you out of your seat again. Let's throw you out of your seat again. Let's throw you out of your seat again. Chris and I could not come here together today. We weren't able to line up our trips, but he was able to come about a week ago and experience this.
I am here about a week prior to Drew coming down.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Let's see what Chris's thoughts were on Arie Force One.
Wow.
Thanks, Chris. No, guys, I'm just kidding. He filmed an actual review.
I need a drink of beverage.
Wait, that's not the right clip.
Absolutely breathtaking. It is such a good RMC. You know, your first big drop is insane. That underbanked turn is literally about 5 seconds of hang time. The bunny hills are absolutely wild. It is literally Twisted Timbers level craziness. For sure, my knees were hurting at the end just from the one ride. Arie Force One is fantastic. It is a very good RMC. I would actually put this right about the level of Twisted Timbers, right underneath Wildcat, underneath Slow Vengeance, but it is a wonderful RMC and it is a shame that we'll be losing it. Of course, we hope that it'll be moved. Kings Island. Back to you, Drew.
After several laps on Arie Force, I think genuinely the thing that I'm most impressed with, no RMC maintains speed the way that this one does. I swear it gets faster as the layout goes on, which is very rare because RMCs usually use a lot of momentum by the end. So you got all these tiny airtime hills. Look at how tall this final stretch of airtime hills is. That's very unique for RMC. There is a 40-foot elevation change from the bottom of the first drop to the turnaround that's behind this discount budget Knott's Berry Farm looking facade. You can tell they're using it to the fullest of their advantage. It's really, really impressive how this thing maintains speed and how fast it goes through both of those barrel rolls. The arcade roll is genuinely one of the most mind-blowing moments on any roller coaster I've ever experienced. This is a top 10 roller coaster in the world, and it is a destination roller coaster, which is why there are a bunch of enthusiasts at the park today from all over the country trying to ride this thing before it closes. Oh shoot, it's Brandon. What's he doing here? Yo, it's Vlogger Central, let's go. Yo, how we doing?
My camera now. I woke up at like 3 a.m. I got on the plane at like 5 a.m. And and then I'm gonna be here all day. They can't fit the layout in another part. All they have to do is redesign it. So it's a sunny day too.
Yeah.
Right. So like at least you don't have to worry about weather.
We're gonna knock. Is there any wood nearby? There's wood right here.
Yeah.
Knock on wood, Brandon. Knock on that wood, Brandon.
No inclement weather. No unexpected technical difficulties.
David from Thrill Seeking Teachers here. Whoa! 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 David, I have to ask, front row or back row?
Back row.
Now, here's the follow-up question, right side or left side?
Left side. Left side is like, especially in that turn, that little wave turn. Oh my God, you just feel every ounce of it. It is amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah.
All of our stomachs are yelling at us because we've been riding this thing dehydrated for an hour. They got the old school like bumper boats. Like from frickin' Cedar Point. Do you remember these?
They have this at Adventure Park USA in Maryland.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
what a deep cut.
I always film these during meal breaks. If you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, you should totally hit that subscribe button because we always be doing shenanigans. Well, we don't always be riding a roller coaster that closes in 3 days, but we do always be riding roller coasters all across the country. I just spent 3 weeks in California riding roller coasters. Those vlogs are gonna be uploaded like for the next several months because it's gonna take forever, but they're gonna be really good, I promise. Also subscribe to Brandon Vlogs.
Hey, how's it going?
The vibes here are admittedly very bizarre. You've got food truck carnival vibes, you've got discount Knott's Berry Farm, there's an arcade in there. The park seems to have a four-way identity crisis, probably from the 3 owners that it's had. It's a very strange place. Oh yeah, guys, there are other roller coasters at this park. Oops. This is Hurricane. It's an E&F Myler family coaster. It actually opened here in 2007, way before this was a Fun Spot park. It's one of the oldest rides in the park. Oh! Oh, what the hell? Oh, oh. Oh, God, what? Okay then. That was so weird. It was very smooth, but it was profiled in such a way that like at first I was like, okay, like this is really chill. Like you got a nice big like straight drop and then like you got some really gentle turns at the top. The second half of that layout, it is the most unsafe I've ever felt on a roller coaster. And basically what happens is every time you hit a turn, the turn banks and then kind of unbanks and then rebanks and then turns again. So every single turn basically just feels like a car crash. It wasn't unpleasant, but it was very concerning. Like, it was funny. Yo, freaking IROC who? Nah, we jumping into lockout zones now. What are they gonna do, close the park? Next up is the best roller coaster in the park. This is Sea Serpent. Oh, let me fix up. It's an ENF Myler Jr. coaster. So this opened here in 2018, but this is actually its 4th location. It actually opened in 1999 and got tossed around a bunch of different parks before Fun Spot eventually bought it and put it here. Let's go. Best ride in the park. Whoa! That's adorable. Whoa! 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 It is a very nice touch and a change of pace, if you will, that instead of concrete footers, they just screwed it into planks of wood. Yeah, man, get it, Fun Spot. I like this authentic theming. Hello, are you here to get your last rides on Arie Force One as well? Yeah. Yo, me too, dude. Where'd you come in from? I came in from Philly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! That final series of airtime hills should not be illegal. This, the Mosasaurus roll, are like tied for like most breathtaking finale on any roller coaster. Here we go! Oh! Oh! How are your shins doing?
Oh my God.
Mine are so bruised right now.
I would have done 2 big hills.
2 big hills?
4 little hills.
I could have gone for a 3rd arcade roll.
Yeah, there's gonna be a line of bruise.
I think the front and the back are actually like equally whippy. Front half of the layout is better in the front, back half of the layout is better in the back. I think the right side of the train is like noticeably whippier than the left side of the train. So keep all these things in mind when you don't get to ride Arie Force One. Not the carry-on luggage, let's go. Whoa! Whoa! I found the coolest guy in the station right here. Look at this, let's go! Let's go, this guy has good taste. Oh, look, Carolina Crown 2013. I'm going around for lap 13. This is my 3rd one with Chase here. Chase, oh hey, how you doing, man? Chase made an excellent point a few laps ago.
Every single element could be the best.
There's no filler.
There's no filler.
There's no filler, absolutely, yeah. The line's out of the station. It was a station wait 5 minutes ago. What happened? John Arie, come save us. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Yo, shout out to the ride ops. They're letting me keep my bag on the platform so I don't have to keep taking it off and on. Wait, you got the forces graph pulled up? Whoa, there it goes. My objective right now is to get 20 total laps on this because I've gotten 20 laps on Boulder Dash, Phoenix, Pantherian, and Timbers this year. I think it'll be really funny to also get Arie Force up to exactly 20. 2 hours and 15 minutes, I need to get 4 more laps. I think that's doable. It's getting a little more crowded here. So we're gonna be cutting it close. Brandon getting his front row ride. Like and subscribe to him, he's cool. Lap 17, and I'm still just wondering why the second to last row, the seatbelt is upside down. Oops. Oh wow, you got a lot, yeah. Good for you. You're insane. We got John Arie Jr.
How many of y'all are coming from out of the state of Georgia?
Yeah!
Wow, thank you so much. I'm John Arie Jr. I'm the owner and CEO of Fun Spot America. And I just want to thank you all for coming out and supporting us on our last few days. It means the world to me and my family. I don't want to get emotional, but I'm sorry that this happened. But at the end of the day, I'm thankful for everybody else coming to show that support. Before we get that, we like you guys, Dave.
Yes, get it, James! Woo!
All right, red train, are you guys ready?
Whoa! Already going. That was your minimum verify lap. Crazy.
I need to get a John Arie fist bump. Thank you, man. It's about 9 o'clock, so we got an hour left. Line is out at the station, but it's not too bad. Whoa! I've already done that bit. So I got 2 laps to go, which means we're just gonna yoink right in here. Bro, it's literally an ace event. The high energy in here is insane. Oh my God, they're still going. The line has made it all the way out here. We're getting one more tonight. This will be lap 20. That was my goal for the day. This is the line for the front row. These guys, no ball. Oh, hi, Brendan.
I was like, hey. After a full day of riding this, I still am riding. It's been incredible. But I am ready to go back to my hotel, get a nice refreshing drink, and just go to sleep.
What lap is this for you?
I think we're close to like 18.
Very nice.
So.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
something like that. But you know what? It's been, I wouldn't change anything. It's been a great day.
How many times have you ridden Arie Force One?
15,569 times. I've been trying to be chased for years.
What lap is this for you?
15.
Yeah! Whoa! Arcade roll! Whoa! All right, are we ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Yo, let's go, let's go. Hi, Brendan. That is genuinely one of the most breathtaking roller coasters I've ever been on. I'm not huge on rankings. I think they're a little overrated, but if I had to rank, I would do Steel Vengeance, Wildcats Revenge, Arie Force One, then I would do Velocicoaster and Stardust Racers, and then the rest of my... Obviously, by my top 3, you can tell what I enjoy the most, but this is such a breathtaking roller coaster. I really, really hope someone picks it up because I would like to ride this again. I'm so happy I was able to come down here. I'm so happy Chris was able to come down here a week ago. Oh, it was breathtaking. Despite Fun Spot Atlanta basically being a very large Chuck E. Cheese that just happens to have a $13 million world-class coaster, you can tell the Arie family loves the park. You can tell it means a lot to them. You can tell they really wanted this place to become something. They just might have gone a little too big too fast. Next week, I'm going to be uploading a vlog where Chris and I go check out Nickelodeon Universe. That is the start of a 10-park-long road trip through the Northeast and maybe a little bit of the Midwest as well that I'll be uploading over the course of the next several weeks. But that does bring us to the end of the video. So as per the usual things that we do in our outro, number 1, make sure you drop a like for my homie Joseph the Stormtrooper. Since I'm uploading out of order, you actually don't know that we drop likes for him now. It's a long story. It happened in California, don't worry about it. Number 2, if you are traveling anywhere to ride roller coasters or visit an amusement park, just make sure you're traveling safe. Number 3, wave goodbye to what, I still don't know what this thing is, but we'll wave goodbye to that tonight. Goodbye. Put it along the National Mall in DC. It's perfectly themed. They'll love it. No one will complain.
Nobody will.